Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Wouldn't you agree that having a sore throat is so painful and irritating? Well, I recently had a couple weeks of laryngitis and sore throat, and I started using these slippery elm lozenges from Planetary Herbals to help soothe and comfort my throat. My mom always used to give us slippery elm when we were kids, and so I knew that this would be very effective, and it really is. The taste is very mild and not unpleasant, and I found it to be a little on the sweet side. It does have some fructose and stevia in it. I like that even though I'm not sick anymore, I can use these to support my voice because I use it a lot as a content creator and it can get really dry and scratchy. So having these available in my purse to just pull out whenever I need to has been so helpful. I think that these are really great just to have on hand for when you need them, and that's my point of view.